Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover data type. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover primitive data types. In Java, there are 8 primitive data types, out of which 5 are integral type, 2 are floating point type, and 1 is Boolean type. Integral types are byte, short, integer, long and character. Floating point types are float and double, and Boolean type is Boolean. In the next program, I am going to cover byte data type. We can get minimum value, which byte can store, using byte.min value, and maximum value, which byte can store, using byte.max value. We can assign the value within range directly. Assigning out of range value results in compile time error. If we want to assign value from other data types, we need to use typecasting. Otherwise, results in compile time error. We can use _literal with byte data type. In the next program, I am going to cover short data type. We can get minimum value, which short can store, using short.min value, and maximum value, which short can store, using short.max value. We can assign the value within range directly. Assigning out of range value results in compile time error. We can assign byte value to short. But, if we want to assign value from other data types, we need to use typecasting. Otherwise, results in compile time error. That is, if range of another data type is greater than current data type, we need to use casting, even if value is within range. We can use _literal with short data type. In the next program, I am going to cover integer data type. We can get minimum value, which integer can store, using integer.min value, and maximum value, which integer can store, using integer.max value. We can store decimal numbers, octal numbers beginning with 0, hexadecimal numbers beginning with 0x, and binary numbers beginning with 0b. Also, we can use _literal. In the next program, I am going to cover long data type. We can get minimum value, which long can store, using long.min value, and maximum value, which long can store, using long.max value. We can assign value directly, or use literal small l at the end, or capital L at the end. Also, we can use _literal. In the next program, I am going to cover character data type. We can get minimum value, which character can store, using character.min value, and maximum value, which character can store, using character.max value. We can store number, character, escape sequence, and symbol. In the next program, I am going to cover escape sequences. First escape sequence is new line character, or /n, which moves the cursor to next line. Next escape sequence is return carriage, or /r, which removes everything from beginning of line till cursor position. Next escape sequence is backspace, or /b, which removes one character, or inserts one backspace. Next escape sequence is form feed, or /f, which inserts page break. Next escape sequence is horizontal tab, or /t, which Inserts horizontal tab. Next escape sequence is special characters, that is slash double quote, slash single quote, slash slash. Next escape sequence is Unicode escape sequence, which begins with slash U, ends with 4 digits in hexadecimal. 41 in hexadecimal is equivalent to 65, which is equivalent to letter A. Next escape sequence is octal escape sequence, or slash followed by 3 octal digits. 101 in octal is equivalent to 65, which is equivalent to letter A. In the next program, I am going to cover float data type. We can get minimum value, which float can store, using float.min value, and maximum value, which float can store, using float.max value. Positive infinity using float.positive infinity. Negative infinity using float.negative infinity. Not a number using float.nan. We can assign value directly, or use literal small f at the end, or capital F at the end, or scientific notation using small e, or scientific notation using capital E. Also, we can use underscore literal. In the next program, I am going to cover double data type. We can get minimum value, which double can store, using double.min value, and maximum value, which double can store, using double.max value. Positive infinity using double.positive infinity. Negative infinity using double.negative infinity. Not a number using double.nan. We can assign value directly, or use literal small d at the end, or capital D at the end, or scientific notation using small e, or scientific notation using capital E. Also, we can use underscore literal. In the next program, I am going to cover Boolean data type. Valid values for Boolean type is only true or false. Boolean variable cannot be cast to any other data type or vice versa. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on Java Program Interview Questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon, so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.